2013 GMC Yukon. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. If you're looking for extras, look no further than these built-in features. Side view mirrors with turn signals, satellite radio, navigation,
premium sound system,
multi-zone air conditioning,
blind spot monitor,
parking aid sensor, third row seating, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, cooled front seats, heated rear seats. Schedule a test drive now before this model is gone.